Okay, I wanted to make this little video to show how we can use the Touch Dynamic hardware that you've already got. It's got to be the Touch Dynamic hardware with the slim base and the Epson printer. And we can load software on here called YUMAPOS. And this is the new system that I've been selling. We can side load this onto this terminal with the USB ports. So essentially what we've got is we've got the POS with the slim base and this Epson printer, and then what we do is we pair it with the PAX A920 handheld. This is a wireless credit card machine, and basically this talks to this for credit cards. And then if you need a kitchen printer, you can add a second Epson TM-m30 printer in the kitchen. And I'll show you how this works here. So this is the kind of main screen, so we say new order. And we've got our menu here. This is basically categories up here. If you want to organize your items into different categories, you can, or you can have everything just be on one page. So for the sake of showing this, we'll go ahead and add a cheeseburger here. We'll say no tomatoes, and then we can say checkout. And in the checkout screen, we have our different options. So if we're just going to do cash, we can select 20 there and say pay. And then it's going to print our receipt and open our drawer. And it's a very nice receipt. If we had a kitchen printer, we got the kitchen receipt here. And then let's take a look at a credit card transaction. So I'll do a test here. We say checkout. And then if it's a card, we're going to select card. Oops, we'll select card. And we'll select pay. And then what that does is that should wake up our credit card machine here. And then we can go chip right here. And then tap is back here. Or Apple Pay back there. So for this example, let's go ahead and do a chip. That's good. It timed out. So let's go ahead and retry. Took too long there. And now we're getting duplicate transaction because I've got that turned on. I'm going to pause the video here and fix that and change the amount here. Okay, we've got a new transaction here with just a penny on it. We're going to select card. We're going to select pay. And then it's going to wake up our credit card machine. We'll insert the card. And it'll process the payment. It approves it here. We can turn off the signature, this digital signature, or we can leave it on. And we print our receipt, and then we're ready for our next order. And that's basically YUMAPOS running on the Touch Dynamic hardware. This is the Acrobat Android Terminal. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you.